Hey y'all, come with me as I show you how to make this amazing, delicious orange zest cranberry sauce that's going to blow your mind. We're going to start with 2 cups of granulated sugar and then 2 cups of orange juice. Now you can half and half the sugar with monk fruit if you want to cut the sugar back, or all monk fruit if you want. I just like to make sure that it thickens correctly. And then we're going to go ahead and zest in 1 full orange. And I do know that this is a lot of sugar, but does it really count if it's the holidays? Maybe not. And then we're going to give this a really good mix and bring it to a boil. Once that has come to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our washed cranberries. And just give that a really good mix. Now once the cranberries start boiling and heating up, you're going to notice that they start popping and splitting like this. You're going to want to go ahead and put that lid on because they will just squirt out all over the place and they're hot. So cover them up with the lid, let them boil down. I would put this on maybe a medium or medium low heat as they boil. And you're just going to boil this and let the sauce reduce. Now an optional add in here would be a little bit of cinnamon. However, it's not my favorite in this dish, so it's up to you. And just go in every couple of minutes and give it a nice good stir to make sure that nothing is burning on the bottom. Once the sauce starts to thicken a bit and reduce, I like to go ahead and zest a little bit more orange in bigger pieces, mix that in and boil and reduce a little bit more. Keep boiling and mix that up for a couple of minutes. Once the sauce has reduced, it's going to look nice and thick like this, and then you're going to go ahead and store this in the refrigerator. It's going to get even thicker in the fridge, and when you're ready, go ahead and serve it. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you make it, and until next time, happy cooking and happy holidays.